Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to redeem your Game Pass code on your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now, to redeem your Xbox Game Pass code on your computer, first open up your preferred browser on your computer. As you can see, I have already opened my Google Chrome and I am on the Xbox website over here. And after landing on the Xbox website, this website, you need to know a thing that is Xbox is a part of the Microsoft itself. So if you want to redeem any Xbox Game Pass codes onto your Xbox account, you'll be required to redeem the code on the redeem page of the Microsoft itself. To do that, let's open another tab, and on the search bar type in redeem.microsoft.com like this and hit enter. And I have already logged into my account over here, so it's not asking me to log in. But before you get to this page, if you have not logged into your Microsoft account, you will be asked to log into your Microsoft account over here. And after logging into your Microsoft account authenticated with your Xbox gaming account, redeem your Game Pass code over here on the empty box which says enter 25 character code, and click on next after entering your character code either from the email or from the gift card you had received, and click on next. And on the next step, you'll be required to enter your mailing address, and after that click on continue. Then the card you had redeemed will be available on your Xbox, and this is how you redeem your Xbox Game Pass code on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.